Sometimes when I really want to get deep and make sure like I have the sentences flowing and I want to make them like clean prose and really beautiful and really follow what's my natural writing voice. Like I don't want to use any AI assistant. And then there's other times where it's like I have ideas flowing, but like I don't have the correct vocabulary or words to get it out in the correct order. But I just want to speed through because I like want to hit my word goal and I want to advance and I want to feel the momentum so I can do stuff like that. I think the great thing about I'm going to answer the questions in a moment. But the last thing I'll add about that is I think the best thing about Plotdrive is like it customizes to how you like to work. So all of these tools, like they come out of the box, but you can just make your own. And it gives you full control over pulling in documents, like where your cursor position is, revision. So you can make, I know people have made like buttons that are like inspire me. And it's like a prompt that's like, when I get blocked, give me an encouraging quote from, and they give them like their top three favorite writers who are their heroes. And they just push that button to help them keep going.
I have one called Turn into Article, where I take some nonsense post that I did on social media and I click the button and it becomes an article. And like that's something to edit. Like I have to edit it usually pretty extensively, but like at least it's something that is there and it's not. And the worst part for me in nonfiction is taking a 200 word post and making it a 1,000 word article. So I'm like, can't you just read this 200 word post and get the gist? And people like no, because they need examples and they need there's a whole thing with nonfiction. So knowing that and knowing that I don't want to do that, I boop the button. I'm like I boop a few times and
Yeah.
suddenly I have an article. And it has examples and all the things from my other work too.
Because Courier can do anything you can. So it can also create lots of documents for you in folders to save you many clicks. And so if we're gonna build out the whole book and drive the yellow brick road ahead, might as well let it flesh out this folder for us. And so there we go. I think the last thing I'd add is we built Plotdrive to work on mobile as well, on mobile web and tablet. Ideas are coming wherever you are. We're always context switching, we're always moving. And Plotdrive syncs across all devices. So you could like go from I'm on my desktop during the break, I'm walking, I can pull it up on my phone and just be in my project and keep adding to it. And then when I come back to a laptop or to my desktop again, it'll be right there. And I think that's been pretty effective for a lot of different kinds of workflows. You can also use voice to talk to co-writer right here. And there's dictation also on the phone, so you could talk right into the document. Plotdrive adapts your workflow, adapts the way you like to write to your story. It gets better and better the more you build a book. It just has, because of these context toggles, its ability to comprehend what you want to do is totally incredible.